Welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the plugin, connect OpenAI and Google Drive, configure your import table, run the import, and check the final product result in WooCommerce. Let's start with the OpenAI API tab. Here, paste your own OpenAI API key, choose the AI model you want to use, confirm consent for sending selected product data to OpenAI, and click Save. You can also customize the AI behavior by editing the system prompt and the main prompt. The available variables are listed below the fields, and you can see an example right in the placeholder text. Next, open the Google API tab. Paste your Google Cloud Service account JSON key here. Then choose how many images to import for each product, set the maximum file size, and define which image formats are allowed. After that, confirm consent for downloading files from shared Google Drive folders and save the settings. Now go to Product Statuses. This is where you define the product statuses exactly as they appear in your supplier feed. You can add multiple synonyms separated by commas. For example, different text values for in stock, sale, waiting, or sold. You can also set the sale percentage for products marked as sale items. Please note that the actual product price always comes directly from the table. The sale percentage is used only as additional display logic. Now let's move on to the import configuration. Choose the WooCommerce category for imported products. Then paste your Google Sheet link, specify the correct sheet, and define the starting row for the import. After that, map the columns using numbers starting from 1. Set the column numbers for product status, SKU, title, description, and price. If your products have sizes such as shoes or clothing, enable the Sizes option. Then choose how many size columns you have and enter the column number for each one. If needed, you can also enable a markup. The markup value is set as a coefficient. For example, 1.6 means the price will be increased by 60%. If your supplier provides a recommended retail price or a price range, you can also set the RRP column. To import product images from Google Drive, enable the Images option and enter the column number that contains the shared folder link. And if you want the plugin to generate content automatically, enable AI integration. This will generate the title, short description, and full description based on the available product data. If you need unlimited import tables and scheduled automatic imports, you can upgrade to the PRO version on our official website. Once everything is configured, go to the Imports page. Click Run Now to start the import instantly. From here, you can also open the Logs page or configure scheduled cron imports if you are using the PRO version. On the Logs page, you can monitor the full import and update process. This helps you see which products were created, updated, skipped, or processed with warnings. And finally, after the import is complete, open a product page in WooCommerce. Here you can see the final result, a variable product with size attributes, updated pricing, imported images, and AI-generated content. That's it. Your import is now configured and ready to use.